Good morning mga friends! Another vlog for today. So meron kami ngayong activity again from Klook. So ang gagawin namin is yung Thai bus tour experience. So sasakay kami sa bus tapos isi-serve nila yung mga food na may mga Michelin star or Michelin guide na mga pagkain. So it's kind of exciting kasi ayun nga, nasa isang bus na hindi na namin kailangan pumunta sa iba't ibang lugar. So ayun guys, samahan nyo kami. Ready na kami, kaka-breakfast lang. Tapos punta na kami sa meeting point. Mga friends, ang booking namin is at 11. Kailangan ando na kami. Tapos yung pinakang start nung bus tour is 11:30. So nag-aantay na lang kami ngayon ng Grab papunta dun sa River City. Mga friends, andito na kami ngayon sa Thai Bus Food Tour. So papasok lang kami para mag-check-in. Ayan, ang time guys is 11:14 na. So ipapakita lang yung booking doon sa reception. Tapos ayun na, mag-check-in na kami. Ayun, ang start guys is 11:30. Ito na mga friends, mukhang andito na rin yung bus namin. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. So diyan kami sasakay guys. So ang gagawin na lang namin is aantay na lang kasi 11:20 yung parang formation or yung gathering. So andito guys ulit Thai food tour. Excited na ako guys. Guys, so before kayo pumasok, kung gusto nyo pang mag-toilet, meron daw toilet dito guys sa may gilid. Ayan, mag-toilet lang kami. Ito yung pinakang parang reception nila dito, tapos pwede kang mag-antay dito. Meron pang isang lugar dito guys na pwedeng pag-antayan. Ayan, so marami namang chair. So meron kaming dalang plastic guys, just in case hindi namin maubos ang mga pagkain. So isisharo na lang.
Everyone, we shall make a move to our bus and every table already assigned. Tell us only booking name when I ask you about what's your name. Okay, if not booking name, I cannot find a table for you. Okay, this way please everyone. If you got a big stuff, leave here. These are drop off afterward.
Ayan guys, pupunta na kami ngayon dun sa aming bus. So hanapin lang daw yung table assignment. So ayan, lakad na kami dun. Ayan mga friends, ito yung itsura ng pagpasok natin ngayon. Ayan na nga, ang dami ng mga pagkain, mga plato-plato. So ayan, hanapan lang natin. Ito may paano sila. Thank you so much. I'll do it later.
Remember your booking and tell me easier.
So andito kami guys, nakaupo. Ayan. Ayan mga friends, nakasettle na kami. So merong parang table number na naka-assign sa inyo. So iyan mo lang. Sasabihin naman sa inyo ni ate. Medyo ayoko na sabihin. Pero medyo masungit si ate. Nagagalit siya kapag hindi ka sumusunod sa mga rules. As in pasigaw, napagalitan. Ang dami niya pinapagalitan. Guys, merong panimulang inumin. Guys, alam nyo guys. So guys, so may parang ano ba to? Ayun na. At tapos merong cold towel.
The broken drink with the lock that they recommend, that should be better because around one could break when it's our driver break. Maybe afterward.
Ito ang unang food namin guys. Ano ba to? Starter. Guys, try na natin yung una nilang sinerve. So much. So mga friends, ano kaya?
ส่วนเมนูที่2เมี่ยงกลีบบัวค่ะเราจะห่อรับประทานเช่นเดียวกันการรับประทานใบชะพลูใบทองหลางเมี่ยงคำปกติแล้วก็ท่านดีมี request เมนูเด็กด้วยน้องจะเริ่มจากเมนูน้ำส้มนะคะแล้วก็จะต่อด้วยข้าวตังหน้าตั้งเช่นเดียวกัน Meal trip savory leaf rhapsody and induced scripture. Yeah, well, not in town.
Do we have to eat this one as well? Ah, okay. Ayun, pwede nga daw kainin yung petals. Subukan na natin, guys. Ay, ang sarap. Maanghang nga lang. Medyo maanghang siya, guys. Pero masarap.
Anong lasa?
Dalawa yung ganito, guys, yung may pa-rice cracker.
Fishbowl.
Ayun, guys, pakinggan nyo yung nag-a-announce kung ano yung mga next namin kakainin.
Then the next
Fishbowl.
one, the third one of the main course was pad thai that we serve with prawn. Okay, right? Okay.
Ayun. Ayun yung next namin kakainin. Ayan, guys, ito na yung next naming meal. Ayan. Ano to? Sabaw? Soup. Soup pala to, guys. Na may pork crackling something.
Alright, din na po sa niya.
Ano siya, friend?
Bubatay yung magiging siya.
Yung ano, akala ko pork crackling, guys, hindi pala.
เครื่องเย็นตาโฟต่างๆเป็นรสชาติตรงจากทางร้านเลย The weight about 5 tons, so 5,500 kilos. Biggest one in the world ever. ด้านขวามือคือวัดไตรมิตรนะที่เป็นจากหลวงพ่อทองคำอยู่บนชั้น 4 ของตัวอาคารนี้นะคะเป็นพระพุทธรูปที่สร้างจากทองคำ 96% และใหญ่ที่สุดในโลกน้ำหนัก 5.5 ตัน 1,500 กิโลกรัมสร้างในสมัยสุโขทัย
Dito 1.5.
Lagay tayo ng anong tawag, guys, kasi
Wait lang.
hap me, guys.
On your right hand side, ipapatag mo
Ayan, guys, may Pepsi Max kami. Pero extra to, guys, kapag bibili kayo. Hindi siya kasama dun sa ano namin.
This is a part of hospital that look like the Chinese temple.
Yun?
Makakatawang experience to, guys. Diba?
Very experienced. Alam mo yung taba?
Pepsi.
จากนั้นเราจะไป
Ayan mga friends, habang nag-aantay kayo sa next na food, ayan, mag-sightseeing muna kayo.
Know that you will enjoy the pepper.
Friends, kung gusto nyo bumili ng gold, dito lang ata to sa may Chinatown.
Small cup of yellow that you find in the bowl. And that's
Pero hindi kayo
not
pwedeng
the
bumaba
bamboo. It
habang
was
kumakain.
young coconut
Siyempre.
chip.
Ayan na, guys.
Sinandoming yan. Hindi.
Walang sinandoming na.
Oh, green curry.
Yeah. Kapag hindi ka
Na guys, try na natin tong pag-green curry nila. Manghang.
Dapat lasa mo.
Medyo maanghang lang pala mga friends, ah. Yung anghang niya, talagang hanggang kaloob-looban ng aking ng aking kaluluwa.
Pag inas,
Sobrang anghang.
pinagastos ko po siya. Nabubula yung stomach.
Medyo hindi ko to gusto, guys. Itong pag green curry, sobrang anghang. Kung medyo ano kayo sa anghang, hindi to para sa inyo. Anghang. Tikman lang natin ng konti, guys.
Hotel that's surrounded with plants for shopping. In front of us, we call Sampeng. That's a daytime shopping from morning until evening one. And over here, we're going to pass Safa. Safa was a big market as the biggest of phone accessory and holiday business. But if you were here during Saturday evening, this is the biggest open market of Saturday night market Klong Tong. Once in a week that people will enjoy shopping here a whole night until Sunday
Hindi ko kaya, guys, yung
and
anghang.
even local people they also
As in,
look
parang
forward to
200%
shopping.
hirap. Anghang.
ย่านนี้จะเรียกว่าถนนหลวงหรือว่าคนไทยส่วนใหญ่ก็จะ
Sobrang anghang, guys. Hindi ko kaya. Never. Hindi ito para sa akin. Ito lang naman. Sobrang anghang. Friends, pinawisan ako dun sa ano na yun. Sobrang anghang.
advice ko sa kanila, mag-practice sila ng minute to minute.
Bakit?
Kasi mabilis.
Ayan, mabilisan nga lang guys. So hindi naman.
Sa group natin makalit ko mga.
Ayan guys, may pa-order din lang sila ng tea. Coffee or Thai tea. So Thai tea kami. Friends, kung gusto niyo palang matry ito, nasa Klook to guys. Pero
So, hotel muna tayo.
mag-book kayo ahead
Or the
because madali siyang mag-book out. Kasi nung kami, muntik na kami hindi ma-try ito kasi nga pagdating namin parang ito na lang date yung ano, yung ano namin.
Ako bala ko ba yun?
Itong date na lang yung available, pauwi na kami bukas, diba? So, siguro bago kayo pumunta dito, mag-book na kayo para sure na matatry nyo to. Ano yun?
Kasi sabi ni Beshi, kung daw pupunta tayo ng BGC, bibili tayo. Kung hindi, hindi ko na dapat ang time frame. Pupunta.
Pupunta lang.
Sabi ko sa kanya, wow.
Pupunta.
Ayaw ko na mag-book.
Nilulubos ko lang habang may energy ako.
Kung kayo wala ka.
Ayan guys, so yung pad thai pala namin galing sa Faitalo, di ba yun yung kinain namin dati? Ayan na, ang kanila.
Ay, try to person. Mali dito mo talaga.
Sa kanilang dalawa?
Kasi pagkaran kitang bibili sila. Sabi ko, tamang-tama yun. Kasi sir Claude siya, nakakura kasi I think you're talking with the wrong doctor. Sister.
Yum. Faitalo.
ถ่ายขององค์พระจะมีการประชุมพระบรมสรีระธาตุในชั้นนี้จะตั้งด้านในรวมไปถึงพระแมรีพินาศที่ประดิษฐานไว้บนด้านข้างของเจดีย์ทอง
Ito guys, makakain nyo. Hindi maanghang.
This one of the well-known temple in Singapore area, King
Manamis
Rama,
na.
the 16 Ramadana temple. For one event temple, as inside of the ordination hall, you'll find two principal Buddha images, but here we have two of them in the south.
From tayo mga kapatid.
Ba't naging kapatid yung mga tao
It's
sa
a board that
bansa?
people like to enjoy.
Sarap. Bawat kagat, masarap.
จะได้ผ่านจุดที่บริษัทพระเขี้ยวแก้วแล้วก็พระบรมราชวังพระแก้วในสักการะทุกวันและ7 โมงRory Stupa and the gold color one.
Sorry guys, baka
That's a place to
natatakam kayo
enjoy
habang
toothless one
kumakain ako
of
dito.
two in the world.
Sarap kasi guys eh.
China that's sent to Thai citizen and come and pay respect because most of us over 90%. University. These are top 5 university in Thailand. They're very famous about journalism.
Guys, hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. Ayun, pero may squirrel. Ayun o.
Pero parang malores.
Hindi ko kita nyo ba guys?
Recorded the of the Grand Palace, the Friday last
Ito lang mango sticker rice.
พื้นที่152
Ayan na guys, ang aming cha. Together with the sticker rice. Oh, tara guys, kain tayo. Siyempre, ang coconut milk, lagay lang natin. Tapos, kakain na tayo. Dessert na,
Wala
guys.
yung purchase tip natin.
Inano ni ano,
Wala, sticky rice muna. The best talaga ang sticky rice guys ng Bangkok. Mango sticky rice. Tamis. At magtsaa. Huwag kalimutan. Umuin muna para malanghap nyo yung
Seryoso, walang caramel and tea. Ganyan na yun. Sinabi niya without.
topic ko.
Masarap naman pa eh. Ang lasa niya.
lasa? Vanilla
Sarap.
and caramel?
Parang ganun.
Kakain.
Sarap.
Kasi nag-i-intake mahirap yung ano natin kasi friend.
Yummy. Ayan mga friends, magbablog na si Jan. Start na daw siya ng kanyang journey into vlogging.
Sa akin guys, meron
Ayan. Ang Instagram Jan ka lang.
Ang hirap. Dito pa lang.
Ayan na, visit na siya.
Learning na.
Ayun, ayaw niya na mag-vlog.
Bakit? Sino ba nga niniwala kung may tatawid yun?
Nakakabusog mga friends. Grabe.
อยุธยา
Pero ang sarap kasi.
เป็นเชิญเป็นศูนย์กลางของวิหารนะพระศรีสักยมุนีเป็นพระบรมที่ใหญ่ที่สุดของภาคกลางแล้วก็ชะลอมาตั้งแต่ในสมัยรัชกาลที่ 1 เป็นต้นมา
Hindi mahaba masyadong baba na ka lang.
นี่คือวันที่มีความสวยงามและถือเป็นพระราชหลวงชั้นเอกชนิดพิเศษนะที่มีอยู่เพียง 4 วัดในกรุงเทพและ 6
Narinig niyo ba guys?
ของบ้านเรานะวัดแรกก็จะเริ่มที่วัด
Mga friends, nasa may Grand Palace na kami.
In the middle here, and we see the giant swing that has about 21
Oo nga.
นั่นก็จะเป็นสารวการกรุงเทพมหานครและชื่อตึก 5:30
Ha?
until 7.
Busog na sila.
To atmosphere and fly Formula 1 is the first round in the evening.
Ayun nga mga friends, sobrang nakakabusog tong pastor na to. Pero
Pasok chicken curry,
sobrang the best yung experience. At saka explain talaga nila. At dito na guys, nagtatapos ang aming bus food tour. Ayan na mga friends, at dito na nagtatapos ang ating Thai bus food tour. Ipopost ko sa inyo guys yung menu. Siguro dito na lang somewhere makikita ko nyo kung ano yung mga kinain namin. So ayun guys, so I hope hindi kayo masyadong natakam, or kung natakaman kayo, hanap na lang kayo ng mga Thai restaurant kung asan man kayo. Ayun guys, see you, bye bye.